Hi all, welcome to this course on production planning and control. Today we'll be learning about the basics of production planning and control. What is production planning and control system and what are the things which are present in it. So a production planning is nothing but the planning of production, manufacturing system of a plant, organization or industry. Like if we want to design a mobile or if we want to make a product which is a mobile, then what are the different processes, what are the raw materials, what are the circuits which are utilized, and how it is completely being processed is what we'll be learning under this production planning. Once the production is started, then how to distribute it, how to sell it, and how to control the production, at what stage it is to be controlled is what we'll be learning under production control. So production control is the business of monitoring and controlling any production activity. Hence, our production planning and control consists of this entire cycle where different things like materials, methods, machines, manpower, routing, estimating, loading and scheduling, dispatching, expediting, inspection, evaluation, etc. is generally being done to finally produce a product from its initial stage to the marketing stage or its selling stage. Hence, what is the difference between this planning and control? So planning involves the different steps of planning, routing, scheduling, and loading, which means that once a product is being ready to be delivered, up till that we'll be having the planning stage. And once it is ready, then dispatching, follow-up, inspection, and correction will be coming under this production control. Like if you're having a new mobile or a new model of a mobile, production of it will be coming under the production planning. And once the product is ready, the advertisement part or its dispatching or its sale, which we are having it in different online platforms, this entire things will be coming under this production control. So what is a production system? It is a process developed to transform a set of inputs like men, material, money, machinery, and energy into a specified set of outputs like finished products and services in the desired quantities or qualities in order to achieve objectives of the enterprise. So a production system consists of inputs at one end and the output at the other end. The input and outputs are connected by a series of operation, processes, storage, and inspections. So what is the organization of a manufacturing firm? So whenever any product or any material or any service is generally being produced, then it will be always consisting of an organization which consists of a group of people. And based upon that group of people who have a healthy relationship between the organization, the following points are to be noted: that it must have a system for collection of recording the up-to-date facts from lower end to the higher end, an efficient communication system to facilitate the flow of instructions from downwards to upwards and upwards to downwards also. Like for example, whenever any task is to be done in a college, then the students will meet the class representative will meet the class teacher will report the head of the department, and the head of the department reports the principal or vice principal, which is directly related to the management. In the same manner, when the management wants to do such thing, or when a management wants to plan something, then it comes to the principal, from principal it comes to the head of the departments to the class CRs, faculties, and then finally to the students. So if this is smooth and efficient, then a healthy organization is said to be built. And finally, the production planning control is coming under this system of manufacturing in an entire organization, which is consisting of different departments like sales, legal, finance, manufacturing, engineering, research, and personnel. So among all, we can see the manufacturing to be coming under the production planning and control to be coming under the manufacturing process. So this is where the production planning control lies in an entire organization. Thank you.